start playing then?
Um, it was just in my blood. I had a cousin that had a drum set, and he had a beautiful I think it was blue pearl, marine blue pearl sling kit. So every time we would go over his house, for the relatives, we would, you know, I'd see his kit and I'd get out and start playing it, banging on it. Then I go home and bang on the pots and pans, the usual story.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
pots and pans always started. How many great drummers started on pots and pans,
Well, yeah. Everyone.
And then eventually my parents saw that I really liked it, and they gave me a toy drum set, and I broke those. And then as I got older, I still fooled around with the pots and pans and stuff. So then we went out and bought per se, a real drum set that cost $55. There's a snare drum and a bass drum and a cymbal. The cymbal was attached onto the bass drum with a cymbal holder, that clipped on. It was, we probably had a 12-inch cymbal,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah, and that was my first kit, and I loved it. I played it all the time, every day after school. I'd go down there and play and screw around, learn, and I would just play drums. I don't know what I was doing, but I just played.